Students, if you find this video useful for you, then please like, comment and share with your friends. Also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos. Hello students, welcome back to Science World. I hope you all are good and taking care of yourself. Students, in our last video we have finished muscular tissue and we have seen three types of muscular tissue. In this video we are going to read about the nervous tissue. So we'll see what is nervous tissue and how are the nerve cells. We'll see their structure and function. Okay. So students, nervous tissue is a tissue which is specialized to transmit the messages. हमारी बॉडी में जो messages transmit किए जाते हैं वो nervous tissue के थ्रू किए जाते हैं. And we know that ability to respond to stimuli, ये जो characteristics है living cells की, it is present in all the living cells. But nervous tissue जो है it is highly specialized for this function. Okay, and these cells can transmit the stimulus very rapidly from place to place in our बॉडी. हमारी बॉडी में जो फास्ट ट्रांसमिशन होता है वो नर्वस टिश्यू के थ्रू होता है, इम्पल्स का. ओके, नाउ दिस टिश्यू इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ डेंसली पैक्ड नर्व सेल्स और दे आर आल्सो कॉल्ड न्यूरॉन्स. तो दिस सेल्स, नर्वस टिश्यू सेल्स आर कॉल्ड न्यूरॉन्स और नर्व सेल्स. Okay, and these are the fundamental unit of nervous systems, or you can say these are the functional units of nervous tissue. So we can say that these are the fundamental and functional units of nervous system. तो ये जो न्यूरॉन्स हैं वो नर्वस सिस्टम के फंक्शनल यूनिट्स हैं. नाउ नर्वस टिश्यू इज डिवाइड ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. हमने अभी तक जितने भी सारे टिश्यूज देखे उनमें मैट्रिक्स था और वो मैट्रिक्स जो था वो डिफरेंट फॉर्म में था, लिक्विड, सॉलिड. ओके, बट हियर देयर इज नो मैट्रिक्स फाउंड इन दिस टिश्यू एंड दिस सेल्स आर बाउंड टुगेदर बाय स्पेशल कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. ये जो सेल्स होती हैं वो स्पेशल कनेक्टिव टिश्यू से बाउंड होती है एंड दे फॉर्म द नर्व. Okay, and they thus form the nerve. These cells are the longest cells of the body. Nervous tissue cell जो होती है, these are the longest cells in our body and they may reach up to the 1 meter length. उनकी जो लेंथ होती है वो 1 मीटर तक हो सकती है, इतने ज़्यादा वो लंबे होते हैं. Now where these tissues are found? So these tissues are found in brain, spinal cord and nerves, and we know that these all forms our nervous system. Okay, so brain, spinal cord and nerves. Here we can see the nerve cells. These are called nerve cells or neurons. Okay, now let's see what is the structure of this neuron. Is the structure of a typical neuron or nerve cell, and each neuron in neuron is consist of three parts, that is cell body or cyton, or it is also known as soma or cyton. Then the branches, these branches are known as dendrites, these are many, and axon. Okay, it is a single branch of this cyton or cell body. Okay, so we will see all the structures one by one now. First we'll see the cell body, or it is also known as, this cell body is also known as soma or cyton. It is the cell body. Okay, so each cell body is consist of cytoplasm. Here blue color cytoplasm you can see, this is the cytoplasm, and a centrally located nucleus. Okay, and other cell organelles also present in the cell, like mitochondria, then ribosomes and other cell organelles. Okay, Golgi complex, etc. So cytoplasm contains Nissls granules. This cytoplasm, blue color cytoplasm you can see here, it contains Nissls granules here inside this. So these are Nissls granules. And these are nothing but the clumps of ribosomes. Okay, and these are of the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and they contain the free ribosomes, and their function is to synthesize the protein. Okay, that you know that the ribosomes are the sites for protein synthesis. Okay, so this is the general structure of a cell body or cytosol. Now we will see the structure of dendrites. Here you can see, so these are many short branchings and arising from the cell body, which also contain Nissel's granules. So these dendrites also contain Nissel's granules. Then these dendrites pick up the impulses and transmit to the cell body. इन dendrites का function क्या होता है? ये impulse को pick up करते हैं और cell body तक लाते हैं. ओके, आफ्टर स्टिमुलेशन जो इम्पल्स मिलता है सेल को, उसको ये कैरी करते हैं एंड ब्रिंग टू द सेल बॉडी. और इस तरह से ये जो डेंड्राइट्स हैं, दिस ऑल डेंड्राइट्स प्रोवाइड द लार्जर सरफेस एरिया. लार्जर सरफेस एरिया. अब ये लार्जर सरफेस एरिया जो है वो क्यों ज़रूरी है? वाई इट इज़ नेसेसरी हियर? इट इज़ नेसेसरी फॉर द सिनेप्टिक कनेक्शंस. Okay, it is necessary for the synaptic connection. So these short branches are there, they are called the dendrites. Okay, so these are the branches of cell body. So third part of the neuron is axon. You can see this long branch here, this is axon, and it is the single long cylindrical branch that arises from the cell body. ये cell body से form होती है. It has fine branches at the terminal ends. आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पर उसके जो terminal ends हैं वहाँ पर branches होती हैं, है ना. These branchings are called axon terminals, or they are also known as nerve endings. These axon ends have swollen ends. यहाँ पर ये जो axon ends होते हैं या फिर nerve endings होती है वो swollen होती है, मीन्स फुली होती है. ओके, एंड दीज आर कॉल्ड synaptic knobs. These are called synaptic knobs or Bouton. Okay, so what is the function of these synaptic knobs? Why they are important? So these synaptic knobs contain acetylcholine. They contain acetylcholine. It is a neurotransmitter. Okay, so acetylcholine क्या है? It is an important neurotransmitter and it plays an important role in the transmission of nerve impulse. Nerve impulse का जो transmission होता है उसमें इसका बहुत important role होता है. Okay, तो यहाँ पर इन endings में यहाँ ये neurotransmitters होते हैं in the form of vesicles. Vesicles के अंदर होते हैं. Okay, These axons are also called nerve fibers. इनको nerve fibers भी कहा जाता है. Okay, and these axons are surrounded by a sheath of special connective tissue cells called Schwann cells. Schwann cells से बना हुआ एक पूरा insulation होता है axon के ऊपर, and this sheath is known as myelin sheath. Okay, then you can see these gaps in between the दिस माइलिन शीथ. ओके, तो माइलिन शीथ जो है उसके बीच बीच में आप गैप्स देख सकते हो. दीज गैप्स आर कॉल्ड नोड्स ऑफ रनवियर. These are called nodes of Ranvier. And what is the function of these nodes of Ranvier? So they serve to facilitate the rapid conduction of nerve impulses. Node of Ranvier जो है उसकी वजह से जो है nerve impulse का rapid conduction possible होता है. Okay, so this is the general structure of a typical neuron or typical nerve cell. Okay, and these are the parts. So through the exam point of view, you remember all these parts of the cell and their functions. Okay, so you remember all these parts and the structure and function of this neuron cell. Okay, so here we have finished the structure of neuron cell. So we will meet soon in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.